How I make 450 tote bags behind the scenes. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Gloria. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, please make sure that you watch this video to the end. So a client reached out to me on Monday evening that they want to make 450 tote bags for their church member as souvenir. So we concluded the deal and I went to the markets to sort out for the best fabric to use for the souvenir. So I got the best quality. The materials I use here, they are non-washing, so it won't fade away. So after getting the fabric, I took it home. This is me, yes, getting ready for the tea ball. So there's nothing without God has committed the project into God's hand. I have God to take all the glory. God to do his work, for God to perfect the works of his hands. So God did it. God came through for me. God did the work for me. So after that, I went ahead. I proceeded with the cutting of the fabric and the stitching and all. Please, in this video, I skip the sewing process because I have detailed tutorials on this channel on how to cut tote bag, how to sew it, how to attach zipper, how to fix button, how to design. So I have detailed videos on this channel that explain the whole processes of tote bag making. Please endeavor to watch the videos. So this is me after sewing. So here we are to design. I went ahead with the design. So trust me, I couldn't do it all alone. All thanks to my husband. So my husband was around there and I have to beg him to please help me with the design, and I'm grateful that he did. But it really helped the process. And today was even his birthday, so I have to acquire him with the whole work. Help me to wish him happy birthday. So the work goes on, and this is after the designs were already made. So I make sure that all the bags are well ironed and the designs are all looking beautiful. You can see how colorful, how beautiful all these designs are. So this is me packing all the orders, making sure that everything is in order, confirming to make sure that they are all complete. So I make two sets, both for male and female. For the female, as a normal tote bag design, but for the male, it has just one handle, it has one stripe, and it's very okay. It's handy, it's firm. So that's how the design for the male were made. And also the church gave me verses to write on the bag. So again, like God child, Jesus and fire. They gave me their verses to use since it's for a church, and also to design their church logo on the bags. And with that, I did well. And at the end, when I sent the processes to them, when I sent samples to them, they were so happy that within a short period given to me, that I was able to meet up. Because as of Friday, I was almost done because the event was on Saturday and the bags were delivered on Friday. So they were really happy that within the short while I was able to complete 450 tote bags that they placed order for. So I was really grateful because I wasn't the one who did it, it was God who did it. And this is the bags, well packed and set to be delivered. So these are the bags, neatly packed. Please, if you watched this video to this end, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm grateful. Thank you.